Hey guys, my name is Macaulay Blessing. I am a caterer by profession. I am at AL Backyard Kitchen. I am here to prepare this popular delicacy named goat meat pepper soup and white rice. Join us.
Yummy.
Goat meat pepper soup. Yeah, this is the intestine. This intestine consists of shaki, roundabout. Then this is the goat meat. These are pepper soup spices. Then these are our onions. This fresh pepper. Then this Maggi, grounded pepper to season the meat. Then this crayfish, the salt, and these are scent leaf. So therefore, let's start cooking. You just wait. This is the goat meat. After washing it thoroughly, I'll have to put it inside the pot. I have to parboil the goat meat for it to be soft. Then, after putting the goat meat inside the pot, I'll go with my onions. It's for seasoning. Yes. This is my onions. Then I have my Maggi here. This is my Maggi. This is my grounded pepper. We use this in seasoning of meats. It's my grounded pepper. Then this is my salt. My salt I have to use little quantity. Then if it's not enough, then I can add more later on. So now I want to parboil it. After putting the whole seasoning and all that, I have to add a little water. A little water to parboil the meat. A little water to parboil my goat meat. So now I'm taking it, placing it on the fire. So covering it. Okay. So I have to check my goat meat. You can see it's boiling. So I have to leave it like additional 15 to 20 minutes. Because I want it to be very soft, very soft. If we are parboiling goat meat and it is not soft, it's not making sense. But when it's soft, it is making sense and it will come out well. So I have to leave it for additional 15 to 20 minutes again. So stay tuned. Now, our goat meat is parboiled, so I want to add the assorted, which is the intestine, the shaki, the roundabout. So I'm about handing it now. As I turning it together, I have to add my fresh pepper now. I want to garnish it now. Like, I want to add my fresh pepper. Fresh pepper, I have to turn it. Yeah. Because since it's goat meat pepper soup, so after this procedure, I have to check if my ingredients are enough so I could know what I'm adding more to this. You can see my salt, my Maggi is not enough, so I want to add more to this. Then if it's not enough, then I can add more. Like again. So after all this, I have to leave it to parboil. When it's parboils, then I'll know more how it tastes like. Yeah. So it's when the goat meat is well parboiled, you know the ingredients that are enough and the ones that are not enough. So I have to cover this for it to taste. Then this one is my pepper soup spices to bring out the flavor of the pepper soup. This pepper soup spices help to make the pepper soup scent nice. Okay. Now pepper soup is. Now I'm adding the saintly to add more flavor to the pepper soup, and also for the pepper soup.
Hello everyone, welcome to AL Backyard Kitchen again. My name is ID. I'm going to be your tester for today. I have rice and pepper soup with a lot of things that can't swim. So I'm just going to take a bite or just a spoon to see how it tastes like, and trust me. My God. Today's episode really bangs, and I really subscribe to this. So in the comment section, tell us what next we need to cook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yummy.